Hello, dear friends and colleagues. I wanted to share a rather important article I reviewed recently from The Lancet, and it's in the July 2024 issue focusing on antidepressant discontinuation symptoms. It is by far the largest systematic review and meta analysis of this great challenge of antidepressant discontinuation symptoms. Now, as a younger psychiatrist, I did not pay enough respect to this issue. That is entirely my mistake, because now that I am older and hopefully a little bit wiser, I think antidepressant withdrawal is both common and highly problematic for patients. And this study sheds a whole lot more light on it. First of all, the incidence of it appears to be about 1 out of 6 patients, about 15%, which is substantial. And by the way, I think that is a significant underreporting because this is based primarily on short-term studies. So this really concerns me that if in short-term studies the incidence is 15%, what is the frequency and severity in people who have taken it for much, much longer, right? So let's talk a bit more about it. Shorter half-life antidepressants were found to be more problematic, so that includes paroxetine, venlafaxine, desvenlafaxine, even escitalopram and imipramine. But the problem for us clinicians and our patients is as follows. There appear to be no antidepressants that automatically are immune from this problem. Even longer half-life antidepressants like fluoxetine, which is Prozac, when taken for a long, prolonged period of time, when they're stopped, they can be quite challenging. So it's really important I establish for you, this is based on over 6,000 articles that were screened, 79 studies were actually utilized, 21,000 patients. That's a lot of data we have. And it's a significant problem. It's a problem in men, it's a problem in women, it's a problem in older individuals, it's a problem in younger individuals. So what are we clinicians to do? What are patients supposed to do? Well, first of all, let's talk about it openly. Let's not hope for the best and not have this conversation with our patients. Number 2, offering them plenty of advice and support and encouragement is going to be crucial as we go through the process of withdrawing our patients from medications. And of course, in some situations, a much slower taper is appropriate. And in some situations, when the patient is on a short-acting antidepressant, perhaps utilizing as a substitute a longer-acting antidepressant. By longer-acting, I mean longer half-life. And then using that to taper off would be valuable. Perhaps the only thing we should not do is ignore the problem. All right, if you wish to read further on this, I will provide you a link.